Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon guys. Sa Mansulok sa Mundo. Yan. Nagluto tayo ng mga alitas ang tawag dito. Pakpak ng manok. Yan. Simpleng luto guys. Simpleng kaldereta. Yan. Yan guys. Yummy, yummy. Oh. Delicious. Yan. Chicken guys, chicken. Yan. Kalderetang manok. Yummy, yummy. Yan guys, thanks for watching. And see you my next video guys. Bye bye. Please follow and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye bye. See you my next video guys. Salamat.